So give it up for the Sounds Funny players from Sounds Funny Radio.
Hi, everybody! How's it going? It's great, right? Yeah. We are cool, but the cool thing about us is we're here in Detroit to perform for you. I'm here with my best friends. And, yeah, we're gonna need I'm gonna ask for a suggestion in a second, but let's all just take a second. Maybe we can close our eyes. I'm going to. And let's just think of something real quick. It's not going to take too long, but something that you want to see a show about. And in 3 seconds, we'll shout it out. 1, 2, 3.
Love Island.
Cat clock? Okay, I heard it. Cat clock.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Do you think it'll fit in the kitchen though? It's kind of big.
Oh, I think we could blow out the kitchen and make it fit.
Did you bring a tape measure? Hold on.
Yeah, which, do you want the inches or the metric?
Come on, I'm not a monster.
This one's vintage.
Yes,
I don't remember where I got it, but we've had it for a while.
Doing.
Uh-oh! Be careful.
Oh, I like the
well, I'll tell you, just because we're from the big city doesn't mean you can rip us off, okay? So give us a fair price.
Oh, you want a fair price? What say you to $35?
Sold.
Wait, no, wait.
Sold, no, sold.
Wait.
No, you said 35, sold.
Oh no! I could have got more probably! Oh no, but I'm a woman of my word. I'll take this and I'll use it in good health.
And there's a 5.
But just beware. All things may not be as they look.
Wait, what?
The store is now yours!
I am the Jabberwocky. Who dares go there? Oh, a hero break through his TV screen.
Oh my God! I've always wanted to be in the movie! Oh, this feels amazing! Buckets are... Oh, wow! Daniel?
Sorry, you said Daniel?
Yeah,
I think that's me. Sorry.
yeah. Number 41?
Oh, yeah, that's me.
Excellent.
Awesome, thank you. Oh, is there...
Go ahead. What?
Oh, sorry, I said honey mustard. Is
Yeah.
there-
I got it. Yeah, it's in there.
Thank you.
And then just get your fountain drinks right around the
Why
corner.
are you sweating so much?
Because I'm the only one working today. Everybody called out a Jack in the Box. So I'm the Jack here. And my name is Jack, so...
Any of the burgers here? Hey, finally, man.
Yeah.
Took forever.
Did no one else see that man disappear into the TV? I was just getting my fountain drink. And I saw the demon come out of the TV.
She's on to us.
Did no one else see that?
Imagination. Kids, man.
Imagination?
Yeah.
Imagination? Things eaten. Every Jack in the Box employee who's been here. But I'll take it down one day. That is my white whale. That is the thing that I shall conquer. That is...
All right. You've been training for this for months.
Yes.
All right. This is your white whale. I can no longer go with you. You've been like a son to me.
No, you can't leave me now. We just have to get across the
You
rock
must
bridge.
kill me. Lose attachment. You must kill your mentor. If you can't kill me, you'll never kill the Jabberwocky.
No, I can't possibly do that. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I wanted this. Oh God, it feels good. This is the way I wanted to go out.
Okay.
This is the way it has to be.
You were like a dad to me.
I'm so sorry to bother you. Could I take a number 7 medium? I hope you don't mind, I'm paying in only coupons.
I can do a number 7 height. Sorry.
Go help him.
This job is like a wasteland. This Jack in the Box is an epic, legendary story that has taken over my life. Yes, these coupons are still good.
You're very sweaty.
Well,
Good, did you get fries? Honey, oh my goodness, you covered in blood.
I'll tell you, things aren't like how they used to be at the Jack in the Box.
Well, obviously not. So
I
much.
did see a man sort of get a destiny and then get on a quest to find himself, which was nice.
Well, I'm glad you made it back to your destiny. Me. The clock's broken again, by the way. We'll get it. I'm starting without you.
Hello.
Hey, so I'm out here mowing the lawn, and I just was wondering if you kind of wanted me to tackle yours, because it's a little bit getting unwieldy. And I don't know if you've kind of noticed that yourselves, but I'd be happy to kind of bring it down to level for you if you want things to look more aesthetically pleasing for the neighborhood.
I'm gonna go ask.
You don't need to ask, sweetheart, I can hear. Sir, we don't need any yard work or any lawn mowing or anything. There's a reason the grass is long. People won't come.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. I don't know if you guys kind of realize just how unwieldy it's getting. It's kind of like taking over a lot of other people's houses, not just affecting your own, you know?
This handsome young man might have a point.
He has a very, very sweet imagination, is what he has.
Yeah, maybe now that it's kind of at your doorstep, you'll freaking realize that this is why we have homeowners association.
As the third person gone missing this week.
Yay!
I mean, there was 3 of them in that one incident, so it makes sense why there's only 3 this week.
And I'm telling you, it's not a coincidence. Look at my board.
Wow, that is a detailed ass board. Yeah.
13. A little boy goes missing from this lousy lane.
I like that you're using a little blue raspberry dum-dum to represent the kid.
And then here. Name. Yeah, we're going backwards. May 4th. Little Sally Joe goes missing. And it's not a coincidence, they were both.
I noticed that you used a Tootsie Pop for that one.
You're catching my theme here. I call it the candy killer. Here! February! Yeah, it goes all the way back to winter.
Chief, you're going nuts, man.
All right, any preference on bills for you today? We got 20s, we don't have 5s, but we do have 20s and 10s.
Do you have 50s? And $2 bills? Yes!
Actually, I think we do.
I heard there was a $1,000 bill.
Yeah, you only asked me for 75.
I'll take out more if you've got it.
Oh, careful of the candy. Sorry, just be. All right, we just got that.
Oh, is that candy on your desk?
Oh yeah, it's for anyone. You can take one if you want.
Wait, so all this is stolen candy from a bank? Wait, oh my God, it's just thousands of candy bars!
Yeah, that bank teller was too nice. There's something up with her, and she didn't have $2 bills.
Wait, Chief, if you're stealing all this candy,
Whoa, it's for anybody to take.
The candy shop's closed, kids. Get on it. Oh.
Not yet. Please.
You're barking up the wrong tree. I told you to get out of this candy store.
It's only
You don't know what you're
$5.59.
getting into. Huh?
It's only $5.59. You gotta let me in.
Take these nerds. Get out of here. You know what's good for you.
I want the good stuff in the back. And don't you dare tell me that there's nothing back there.
You want to come in the back? Follow me.
Delacroix, don't let her in the bag. Delacroix, don't do it. Don't let her see us.
Never mind those voices.
Delacroix, no.
Those are just, those are my kids. Yeah, I guess my eyes have adjusted. I don't really need light
It's
down
so dark in here.
Please, Daddy Delacroix. Daddy Delacroix.
here. The clock's going the wrong way again. Here it is, everything I've ever worked on my whole life.
That is the biggest licorice vault I've ever seen.
Yeah. You want to go in?
I do. Lots of chocolate statues you've got here.
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, that's Hershey's. Dark chocolate.
Oh,
My wife liked dark chocolate.
Is she gone?
Yeah. She's gone.
Sorry to hear that.
No, it's okay.
What's up?
Careful, most of the candies are vintage.
Oh!
You gotta... Delacroix, what did I tell you about bringing strangers back here?
I know, it's not a stranger. Detective.
Oh, detective! Oh, you've done something different with your eyebrows. Are they tattooed, threaded?
They are.
Oh, they look so
I'm
nice.
ripping them out from the distress of cases.
Oh, dear me, I know it's a stressful job. What with the city having missing children and all.
I never said anything about missing children.
Well, you must have. Where else would I have got them?
All right.
Not everything is as it seems. Not everything is as it seems. Not everything is as it seems. Not everything is
So hot.
Sorry, I can't do the lawns if you guys are just like chilling in the middle of the lawn.
You'll do what I paid you for, young man.
Sorry, what's that?
You'll do what I paid you for.
Okay, well then I'll just keep mowing, but they better get out of the way, because like I don't know what to do else. So otherwise,
It's so bright out here.
No, it's getting harder and harder to enjoy a Monday morning.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to trespass on you. I don't
No, you may as well stay now.
Detective Muncie.
I'm rude here or something. I'm kind of rude or something. I'm hitting on the tree. Okay, I'm going over. I don't care. Okay.
Blood coming out of that.
There's blood coming out of this.
That's okay, push through.
Okay.
There's an extra 20 in it for you.
Whatever you say.
Okay, I'm dead.
Wait, you don't sound dead.
I am, swear to God.
Marty? Marty? Marty?
Hey.
Holy shit, you were trapped under a whole bunch of roof and grass. I haven't seen you since 6th grade. Where you been?
Here, under the roots and grass. Look, I fell and then I was embarrassed and I just couldn't get up and then the roots overtook me.
Sometimes life grows up around us and we gotta break through. So let me help you break through.
Marty, Daniel, God damn it. What are you kids still doing in class? Get
We're
up.
playing.
No, we're
Well,
playing.
the playing's gotta happen somewhere else. You see the time? Class ended. I said have a great weekend. That's when you're supposed to have a great weekend.
We wanna keep learning. We like all the mathematics you would teach us, but I guess we can get out if we want.
Oh, you don't like any of the stuff I do. Kids don't like teachers, and I get that. It's fine. But
You made a big influence on our lives.
Yeah, you made me believe in myself.
Yeah, but see you later.
See ya. I gotta
Never change.
No.
Right? And you know what the yearbook says? Never change.
Hey, sweetie, sweetie,
Huh?
I'm gonna go to the Jack in Box. Do you want anything?
go. As many burgers as I can fit in my gullet is what I'm gonna eat.
The Dr. Pepper, okay?
yeah.
Oh, you're sad. You didn't get excited about that.
I should have said yeah, and then you say, even though I'm just a master's pepper.
I didn't hear. What?
Scholastic joke.
A master what? I'll let it go.
Dr. Pepper is what we'll be calling me in a few years. That's what I meant.
Masters is less
Yeah.
than a doctor. Okay. Oh, you sat on yourself. Hey, why is the clock going backwards?
I have no idea. I just thought the same thing. Get up there and fix it.
Backwards, 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 backwards. Young man, come on now. It's time for you to leave school.
No, I want to leave school.
I told you, summer vacation just started.
Oh, Mr. Henderson, this is summer vacation. Come on, numbers, symbols,
No,
it's all real. None of it's imaginary. None of it's pretend. Not like all the bullshit out there. Sorry, I'm
Backwards, 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 backwards. Come on, young man, it's time for you to go outside and join the war.
Can't I just go into higher education instead?
Backwards, 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 backwards.
This, young man, is a clock. It tells time. Something I'm very excited about.
Backwards, 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 backwards. This right here is a sundial. If you want, you can have it, but be careful. Not everything is
as it seems. Everything is as it seems. Oh my God, it's a warrior fighting us, the Jabberwocky!
It's a lot easier than I thought.
Oh, your wife is in this! So are your children!
I must get her to the Jabberwocky! You got my sauce back in! I have thrown extra cash out! Turn the clock back! Turn the clock! Backwards, 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 backwards,
Backwards, backwards. I just don't think it's gonna fit.
Oh, shit.
Every time we go to a store, you have to go to the bathroom.
I'm sorry.
What is that?
I'm sorry. My stomach gets rumbly when I find clocks that interest me.
Honestly, I don't understand. You left before we went to the store.
Mom, Dad, there's nothing cool in this store. I'm just gonna go out front and
Oh my God.
hang out in the street with random kids. I'll probably be fine.
I'm so sorry. I forgot we had a child.
So did I. Do we have a child? He looks an awful lot like you.
I didn't think we did.
This is a weird store.
Wait, where's that creepy old woman that said everything's not as it seems?
Tired.
Not everyone knows the first fire was also the first tire fire. Okay, well, lesson over summer. Get out of here.
What?
Lesson over summer?
Summer?
Lesson over summer. Get out of here.
Lesson
Over summer? Lesson over summer?
No, sorry. I'm so
Is that
sorry.
one
Lesson over.
The whole
Summer.
summer? This lesson's gonna go over the whole summer?
Plans, my parents are going upstate.
I'll tell you guys what. We're gonna sit here and talk about it as long as it takes.
All right.
Lesson is over. Get out of here. Summer.
Get out of here, Summer. No, we like Summer.
It's time to get the fuck out of here.
Children, I have some sweet.
All right.
Wow.
Why don't you follow me?
Okay.
Hey, thanks for taking good care of us.
Happy summer.
Happy summer.
Dark chocolate, my
I've
wife's
never seen
favorite.
this part of the school before.
Come back here, children.
Oh, you have a basement? Oh, it seems spooky and smoky.
And
Candy
dark.
everywhere.
I love me.
My wife, frozen in chocolate. I love you so much.
Thanks for letting me nap, hon. I was so tired.
Nap the clock. Not even 5 minutes has passed.
Are you gonna go back to cutting my lawn, or am I gonna have to pay someone else?
No, we'll do it. We're just gonna go to Jack in the Box first.